Now drop the rod and reel. There you go. Like that. Now stop reeling and pull. Nothing you want to do. Keep on doing that. Oh. What the hell is that?
It's like orange?
You got an albino catfish. I've never seen one.
Yeah, right.
In my life.
Seriously? Is that what it is? Harry, no pressure, but don't lose this fish.
You don't just crank over. You gotta pull it, crank down. No, crank. Now stop reeling. Now pull back. And now start cranking again. Now stop. Now pull back. Holy shit. We're gonna get some big fish. Holy crap. Keep in the water. Rod low. Pull. Pull. Now reel down. Pull. Holy shit. I've never seen that before in my life.
That's an albino.
Give me some plant.